Did you know that businesses that adopt AI technology can increase their productivity by up to 40%? That's a game changer for 2024. Artificial intelligence has been a buzzword for quite some time, but its impact on businesses is becoming more significant by the day. As we enter a new year, it's essential to understand how AI can revolutionize the way we operate, make decisions, and interact with customers. From automating mundane tasks to providing actionable insights, AI has the potential to transform every aspect of a business. Many business leaders are already acknowledging the importance of AI, but there's still a sense of uncertainty about how to implement it effectively. Some might be thinking, is AI just a fancy term for automation, or will it replace human workers? The truth is, AI is so much more than that. It's a powerful tool that can augment human capabilities, drive innovation, and unlock new revenue streams. As we explore the potential of AI in 2024, it's crucial to separate the hype from the reality. We'll dive into the challenges of integrating AI, its applications in various industries, and the inspiring stories of businesses that have successfully harnessed its power. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how AI can transform your business and what you need to do to stay ahead of the curve. Every business, regardless of its size or industry, faces its unique set of challenges. But when it comes to adopting AI, there are some common pain points that many organizations encounter. One of the most significant hurdles is the cost of implementation. AI technology requires significant investment, not just in terms of hardware and software, but also in training and upskilling the workforce. Moreover, AI can be complex, and many business leaders might not fully understand its capabilities or limitations. This lack of understanding can lead to resistance to change, making it difficult to get buy-in from stakeholders. Another challenge is dealing with the vast amounts of data required to train AI models. This can be overwhelming, especially for smaller businesses with limited resources. Data quality is another critical issue that businesses need to address. AI models are only as good as the data they are trained on, and poor quality data can lead to inaccurate insights and biased decision-making. Moreover, integrating AI into existing systems and processes can be a daunting task, requiring significant changes to the organizational infrastructure. Ensuring that AI systems are transparent, explainable, and fair is also a growing concern. As AI becomes more pervasive, businesses need to make sure that they are not perpetuating biases or discrimination. Regulatory compliance is another area that requires attention, as governments start to develop guidelines and frameworks for AI adoption. In addition to these challenges, many businesses struggle to measure the ROI of AI investments. It's essential to have a clear understanding of how AI will impact the bottom line and create a positive return on investment. Some organizations might also face the challenge of finding the right talent to develop and implement AI solutions. Despite these challenges, many businesses have successfully overcome them and are reaping the benefits of AI adoption. One of the most significant advantages of AI is its ability to automate repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up human resources for more strategic and creative work. AI-powered chatbots, for instance, have revolutionized customer service, providing 24/7 support and improving response times. In the healthcare industry, AI-powered diagnostic tools have improved accuracy and reduced the time it takes to diagnose diseases. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots have increased efficiency and reduced errors. In the finance sector, AI-powered fraud detection systems have significantly reduced the risk of fraudulent transactions. In marketing, AI-powered personalization has enabled businesses to tailor their messages and improve customer engagement. The examples are endless, and the potential applications of AI are vast and varied. One industry that has seen significant transformation through AI is retail. AI-powered recommendation engines have improved customer experience, increased sales, and reduced cart abandonment rates. AI-powered inventory management systems have optimized stock levels, reduced waste, and improved supply chain efficiency. In logistics, AI-powered route optimization has reduced delivery times, improved fleet management, and decreased costs. In agriculture, AI-powered precision farming has improved crop yields, reduced waste, and optimized resource allocation. The list goes on, and the potential of AI to transform industries is vast. One of the most compelling examples of AI transformation is the story of a global logistics company that implemented an AI-powered predictive maintenance system. The system used machine learning algorithms to analyze sensor data from its fleet of vehicles, predicting when maintenance was required and reducing downtime by 50%. The company also saw a significant reduction in maintenance costs, improved fleet availability, and increased customer satisfaction. This is just one example of how AI can transform business operations and decision-making processes. The potential for innovation and growth is vast, and businesses that adopt AI early will be the ones that reap the most significant benefits. As we've seen, AI has the potential to revolutionize businesses in 2024. From automating mundane tasks to driving innovation, AI is a game changer. While there are challenges to overcome, the benefits of AI adoption far outweigh the costs. It's time for businesses to take the leap and harness the power of AI. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on AI in the comments below. If you want to learn more about future tech trends, be sure to check out our next video.